Right, so my name is Johan. I started Azuro in a different guise quite a number of years ago, so I've been gainfully unemployed for 14 or so years. And I own the business, but also look after quite a lot of the technology, sort of make decisions in terms of which technologies we're going to pursue and how we're going to put things together, and assist the dev team with architecture and design kind of input. We were approached by FutureMe actually through Microsoft. So Microsoft has a developer experience team that looks after the ISVs, the independent software vendors. They then presented us with a bit of an idea of what their project was about. We thought it was really, really exciting. I personally think that there's real scope and real gap in terms of the education in South Africa and how we introduce young people to the workplace and how we get them to know what is out there. I think there's a huge sort of need to actually just teach young people and expose them to different types of careers. And FutureMe aims to do that. So we were very excited about the project, not only from a technology point of view, but also in terms of what they aim to do with the technology.
Mobile devices are very, very often the endpoint for most students and most young users, the millennials as it were. And so when you're trying to help facilitate a career path and help facilitate a destination, the students don't know. They don't know yet where they're going, and they're not supposed to know. So in order to facilitate that, we provide obviously this content. We surface this content that is provided by the stakeholders and the potential employers onto a device where they can watch and they can see it, and then they can learn more and they can understand more and they can invoke incitement towards a potential career that they may not have thought about, or even that they're thinking about and they just want to get more information about it.
When FutureMe came to me, my job was to develop the user interface for the app and to develop the SharePoint environment. So I add in all the different screens that you navigate yourself to on the app. I lay them out. I make sure everything, the text, the font, everything is exactly how it is given to me, and also to create the user experience within the app. I love being a programmer, coder, developer. It does involve heavy hours. Some days you work throughout the night, into the day, throughout the day and continuously. But when you're sitting behind and you're seeing your code actually come to life, it makes all of that a lot easier. It involves a lot of learning. In the IT industry, things are changing and evolving all the time, so you never stop learning, you never stop going for certifications, you never stop any of that, because if you do, you fall behind, and you've got to be bleeding edge in order to get somewhere within this industry.